Tired of overpriced phone plans? Want to save money without sacrificing service? Then you're probably thinking about switching to Mint Mobile, and today we're going to show you exactly how easy it is to keep your current phone number when you do. First things first, let's gather the necessary information. You'll need your current account number, your billing address associated with your current carrier, and the account holder's name. You'll also need your current phone number, of course. You'll also likely need your current carrier's PIN or password to authorize the transfer. You can usually find this info on your current carrier's website or app, on a bill, or by calling customer support. Okay, now that you're armed with the right data, let's begin porting your number to Mint Mobile, which is going to start the moment you activate your new Mint Mobile plan. You'll typically do this online on Mint Mobile's website or app, and during the activation process, you'll be prompted to provide the aforementioned info. Once you submit this info, Mint Mobile will then contact your current carrier to initiate the number transfer. The porting process usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, but it can sometimes take up to 24 to 48 hours, depending on your current carrier. While it does this, there can be some unexpected challenges, such as incorrect account information you provided, or the account not being in good standing. If this occurs, Mint Mobile will likely contact you to resolve any issues for a smooth transition. Carefully double-check everything you enter and make sure your current bill is paid up. Once the number port is complete, your old phone should stop working, and your Mint Mobile phone will be activated. You should then restart your phone to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully ported your number. You can now start saving money and enjoying the advantages of Mint Mobile.